5 years of extraordinary nightlife, extraordinary experience here at Bloom. I'm very excited to speak to the founders and the brain behind Bloom Bar. This is Kofi, right?
Yeah, Kofi Malvo.
Okay, and Adam.
I'm Adam Keith.
So thank you guys very much for everything that you guys have done for Ghana and putting us on the map. But let's talk about the journey. How has it been founding this great venture?
It's been amazing so far. It started as a dream. We are grateful Accra supported us throughout. We never thought to be this big, but we're always just grateful that Accra has been with us and always supported us. So thank you so much, Accra. Thank you for everything you've done for us.
Definitely. Now let's talk about the partnership. You know, it's not easy to come together to put something like this together. In as much as you guys might be very, very inclined in terms of ideas together, but then how do you guys get along in terms of decision making and coming behind the table and making the decision?
Okay, so firstly, I've known Adam for 29 years. Yeah, so I would say practically if we've had any fights, we know each other very well. So long story short, we genuinely respect each other. It's we don't take things too much to heart. It's if there's an issue, we express it, we let it go, because at the end of the day, the brand and what we do is bigger than our egos. So we don't let it get in the way of what we have to do.
Now it's been 5 years. I know the journey hasn't been easy, but can you outline just one difficulty you've been through?
We've been through a lot of difficulties when you're a young entrepreneurs, but the major one was during COVID. Managing, just sustaining the business before and after was very challenging. But we went through it and we just thank God we are still here. But that was the most challenging part all throughout.
Thank you very much. Now you guys have a new venture up, BlueChip Hospitality. Bloom Bar has been very, very successful. Now let's talk about the venture, the new one. How are you going to intertwine Bloom and the new venture, and how should people receive this one? And tell us more about this one.
BlueChip Hospitality, I would say, is the ultimate dream for what we set out to do in hospitality. BlueChip encompasses everything that we represent when it comes to hospitality. It is our way to give back all the experiences that we've had from doing things from scratch up to this level. In BlueChip Hospitality, is we are willing to, not willing, we endeavor to give back everything we've learned to any and everyone that wants to get in hospitality. Resources that we didn't have access to, BlueChip is going to provide these resources for anyone that wants to get into the hospitality space through a lot of help from conceptualization, which is helping them to design and improve their ideas, helping them with recruitment, and any other thing that would make their dream successful, basically. Yeah.
Tell us the brain behind it. Like, why did you guys decide to get into this venture? Because you can still stay and open more joints, more nightlife spaces here and there, but then you guys decided to go into this venture. Why?
Honestly, we feel like the tourism hospitality sector has been looked down on for a while. There's a huge opportunity there for young entrepreneurs to get in and just create something beautiful like we've done. And so far, we've also seen that since we started, there are a lot of other young entrepreneurs starting beautiful businesses, successful businesses. So just feel like the hospitality scene is ripe for young people to come in and be successful.
Thank you very much. But finally, before I let you guys go, the next 5 years, what should we expect from you guys?
The next 5 years is not even about us, it's about hospitality in Ghana and being able to represent Ghana in the rest of the world in everything we do through hospitality. You know, being able to give, or should I say, represent our culture through hospitality to the rest of the world. So it's not about us, it's about how we're going to help all the people that want to get into industry, so we all have one voice and take it to the rest of the world. That's what it's about.
Adam, December is here. December is big in Ghana. Bloom Bar, what should we expect?
Stay tuned. There's a lot of beautiful things happening, so just stay tuned. We'll be expecting everyone to just come through and experience all the good things that we have coming up.
Any advice to any young entrepreneur out there?
The opportunities are there. Just really work hard. It's not easy. It's never easy. But you just have to stay focused and just stay the course and just work hard.
All right. I can see you having a lot of fun, but tell us, today marks the 5th anniversary of Bloom Bar. What can you say about the Bloom Bar party life, the Bloom Bar brand?
I really like to come here. I'm from Denmark and I've been here a lot of times now, and I really like to come here and partying and just enjoying with my friends.
Today marks the 5th anniversary, and it's more love, it's more celebration, more excitement. But tell us, moving forward, what would be one thing that you would love to see here?
Oh, I love floor. A big floor where you can dance, and then good singers, the good DJ, and then good music.
But what is one thing you like about Bloomba?
One thing I really like, I think that everyone dancing and are just enjoying themselves.
Tell us your experience at Bloomba.
Listen, it's a good vibe. I can do my Joho. You understand?
Whether whiskey comes or not.
I'm gonna Joho. Whenever it comes.
But tell us, man, you've been coming here. What is one thing about Bloomba you love so much?
Do you know, it's a vibe and the atmosphere and the way it's laid out, beautiful. That's what I love. Everyone seems to be on a good thing, good vibe and energy, want to dance, want to drink, want to, chat to girls, all of that jazz. So for me, that's what I like about it.
The vibe. It's nowhere. The vibe. Bloom has everything. I mean, if you want to be lit, you have to pass through Bloom before you go to the other places. So yeah, it's a vibe. The lights, the music, the DJs are lit, everything. I love Bloomba.
Vanessa is here today. We got Vanessa in the blues tonight.